What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Happy New Year's to everybody. First of all, thank you for the 1,000 plus subscribers. That means a lot. That's pretty cool. I hit my first milestone, so we'll see what's next in stores. Headed to work real quick. I did get a new vehicle for the channel. It's a used vehicle, but it is new to me. G been down for a few months now. Riding with my brother. Did get a new truck as well. I made a video on that one, but I lost everything. I'll show y'all the 1,000 plus subscriber burnout. Everybody knows where I can do a burnout or donuts in Mexico. Comment down below. Here in Houston, Texas to record, so I gotta find somebody to help me. Using a new camera, a Sony a6000. I did get the top of the line memory card, so y'all can get the full quality of the videos. So they're pretty fun to make. Other than that, check out this hoodie from G8 only. Other than that, G8 been down because I needed new shocks or new coilovers. I did buy new cartridges from BC Racing, but apparently the Badman coilovers are different from BC. They're actually CX Racing coilovers, so I had to rebuild pretty much the whole front end coilovers. So I pretty much switched from CX Racing to BC coilovers. The only thing I used from the CX Racing was the springs. Other than that, should be good. The rears are still CX Racing. It's not that expensive to rebuild them. Actually, get all the parts separated, put it yourself together. Coolant fan, because I distilled it from my car and put it on my wife's car. But man, her car is running real good. Her car is running good. In the last video, 465 horsepower, and that car pulled in the truck at the shop later on tonight. Introduce y'all the truck to the channel. So. Interior of it, it's a Chevrolet, and it's a badass truck. I love it. Chocolate brown door panels with the lighter one, and in the rear as well, sliding. It is a LTZ, but other than that, it's a nice looking truck. I do have plans with this truck, so we'll see what we'll do with it here in the channel. So, all right, guys, here it is. The 2015 Chevy Silverado LTZ, clean. All leather. It is LTZ. One have is like the sunroof, heated steering wheels, and heated seats. I got heated seats. Doesn't have the cool seats. It's very, very nice. Like it says, the LTZ one, it does have the sliding window. Buttons up here, open and close. Like I said, the color is very nice, and it is like a brown. The first mods that I did was the LED headlights and fog lights. So I want to introduce y'all the new truck to the channel. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. I did put a 2-inch level lift, so it is lifted, level lift, so it looks pretty good. I gotta put some running boards, but my plan on this truck is maybe put a little lift on her and some 22 by 14s with some 33 by 12.5 inch mud tires, all terrains. But man, the truck is actually nice. It's very kept well. Got some LEDs on the back. I do want to get the LED tail lights. The whole truck is very, very clean. Chrome door handles, already has tinted windows. Nice leather interior, well taken care of. It's already dirty. It's been dirty. It's been raining out here. Love it. Look at the seats. The seats in the rear is like nobody ever sat on it. Man, very good price. I got it for a very good price here at Monument Chevrolet. I saw the color and I saw the truck. Good price. I couldn't like pass it on, so I went ahead and purchased this truck. The wheels are nice as well. Tires are almost new. Truck is dirty. I'll wash it another day. I'll save that for another video. So ever since I got mine, you see them everywhere.
everywhere. See, that's what I wanted right there. But that's exactly the same truck that my brother got. There it is, guys. Introduce y'all the new ride to me. 2015 Silverado LTZ. Nice truck. I love it. And let me know what y'all guys think. What should I do with it? Lift it, drop it. I'm actually gonna put a intake in it right now. So I got me about to install it. About to take this off right here and put a new one in. It's gonna be a cold air intake. So I got the LEDs, I got the level lift. Now I'm gonna do the intake. Get a Phillips, take that clamp off here, remove the mass airflow sensor, and then I'll be able to pull the whole system off. The original hoses to the valve covers will have to go up, come off and stay with this kit right here. So the engine looks very, very clean. The engine is very clean for 2015. Pretty good. But alright, so let me go ahead and take this off, and then I'm gonna show y'all the intake that I got for the truck. Alright, now that the intake is off, the hose that connects to the airbox here, so that gets a regular hose from there, and it goes to the actual tube. Okay, so here's for my 2015 LTZ. It is a closed cased element deal where you can get a lot of performance power and still be safe for the engine. And the truck feels a lot better. This is the intake to go. So AFE is a momentum HD, and then this is where your air will go in here. In here, it'll go into the headlight area. But other than that, it's easy access, pretty neat, big old filter. Actually, before I put the throttle body on, I'm gonna clean the intake. Before I put the intake on, I'm gonna clean the throttle body. Use this throttle body cleaner. Look at that, black. There it is, guys. Looks pretty clean. Makes the engine bay look a little better. I did like the original because it covers up a bunch of the engine bay stuff. But this one's nice. I should feel a big difference in performance. I'll turn it on right now in a little bit so you can hear and see how it sounds. So there it is, guys. The intake is pretty good. It's pretty loud. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. What are you doing? What? Are you laughing at me?
No. It smells.
Nah, dude, I did it for you. Shit. What do you think of the new ride? I don't have to ride with you no more. Oh, okay. Alright, so you can hear the intake. Oh, thing's fast. Feels better. What's that? Ready? Alright, here's his manual's truck. You have lost footage of the console and stuff? Oh yeah, let me show you the console. Unlock it. Truck did not come with the console. We bought all the parts, or actually he bought all the parts for the console. Put it together, put it on the truck, but all the footage got lost. But this is his 2020 Silverado. It's pretty neat.
Fog light install.
What?
That you lost as well.
Oh yeah.
Fog light LED install.
Oh yeah. Yep. Hope y'all like the 2015 Silverado that I got. More mods to come. So like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. There's like 80% that are not subscribed. Just help us. Help me out, man. Other than that, the intake sounds freaking mean. Let me see. Let me give you a little guess. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds cool. Car's coming. See y'all next time. All right, here's another row before I end the vlog here. That's just light throttle. The intake is, I do feel a big difference in the truck. So if you have a 2015, 2014, 2018 Silverado, make sure you get that intake. That's a badass intake. Here it is. Get it on the freeway. Yeah, I love it. Sounds good. All right, peace, guys.